So the combine is the large piece of equipment that mows down the stalks of corn, and the tractor that you see right there between me and the combine, that has the cart, which has the lighter colored rims in the rear that the tractor's pulling. So the combine goes along and harvests the corn stalks, puts the corn, separates the corn, and it goes up behind that chute where that top piece, you can see it, you zoom in, right behind the chute. Then it dumps it into this cart. Well, the cart then comes over here to where I'm parked and transfers the corn to my truck. I've always wondered why they just don't use the combine to load my truck, but when they're done loading the cart, the combine will go back to harvesting the corn. The cart will empty out while the combine's continuing doing work. And sometimes what will happen is the cart will run right alongside the combine and load up, and then it'll come and unload in our truck trailers. And then as soon as the cart tractor is done, it'll go back and go alongside the combine and get more corn. So there, you can see the combine's backing up right now. That's a big piece of equipment. That's Steven running the combine, and that's Les running the cart. And he'll come over here and unload. So that's Steven there in the cab. You can see what the combine looks like. Got those big old teeth on the front.
I have on here now.
I'm not
Sounds good.
not picking them up real good, but he's telling Steven he doesn't have a full load, so he'll wait till Steven, he can weigh what's in the cart, and so I only got not even 2 miles to go to the farm to unload, and weight on my trailer is not an issue. We're on dirt roads, and so he'll probably load me up to like 86, 87, 88,000, and I'll take it over to the farm and unload it into that long white wormy looking storage tube, and then whenever corn is at the right price, when it's high and they can make more profit, they'll take it to the mill or the co-op and sell it. So that's how that works. Bright, sunny, shiny October 14th, 2024. Happy birthday, Dad.